What's up, guys? It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome to another vlog, another day in the life. Me and Skylar, we are at her cheer practice. You say hello? She wanted to wear her first. She kind of didn't want to go because y'all know my parents are here. Jalayla's here, Mari's here, and she just did not want to leave everybody. But I told her we're just gone for a few minutes and we'll be right back. You ready? Alright, so you don't want to talk. Here's your mask. Put your mask on. Got it? Ow, you grabbed my whole finger. Let me put my mask on. I really want to wear my, let me get mine. I'm gonna wear this one. This says my name. Alright guys, we out of here. Are you ready for practice? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let me see your happy face. Woo! You ready for cheer? Alright, you can take this jacket off.
Why?
Cause you about to go in there. You about to go and practice. I got it. Let's go. Boom, you got your snack. How was practice?
Good.
Good. Alright, let's go. Oh. Don't stand on that, baby. Come on. I'm in Target now. I just came in here for a few items. I gotta get some command strips and put my dad to work before he leaves. His flight actually leaves tonight. So I have a picture. One of the pictures in the living room keep falling down. So I'm just gonna get him to hang that up. And I had to get him to do some stuff this morning. However, that's one thing I gotta get, command strips. I'm gonna get some more eggs and just like little stuff like that. What's up, y'all? So it is like a few days later and we are getting ready to go to the park.
Yay!
My God, are you excited or what?
Yes.
You are? You ready to get some energy out?
Yes.
Alright, so we're about to head out here. We got some McDonald's, we're about to eat a little bit, play a little bit.
You should have been recording.
What? Recording
When we were
what?
going through the McDonald's drive-thru.
Oh my God. Why you didn't say anything?
Oh.
Y'all, let me tell y'all what she did. So we was at McDonald's and I was like, oh Mari, look, he is cute. So it was this young boy working the drive-thru line.
I know, like.
And she's like, oh, I'm about to tell them. I was like, this girl ain't about to tell them nothing, okay? We get up to the window. She's talking about, oh, hi. You're
so
cute. You're so cute. Oh my girl. Made his day though.
I'm trying to show them how y'all swinging the thing. The thing moving slow.
Cause this is hard.
That is a lot of work.
It's for children. That's why it's a lot of work.
Whee! Whee! Sky, are you ready? It's fun? Yeah. Yeah? Summer! Hey girl! Hey Summer girl! Summer girl! Summer say hi! Summer girl! Come on baby! I need to get some more bath towels. Let's get some more washcloths. I think I want to get these. Alright y'all, I forgot today is Tuesday, so y'all know what that means. Taco Tuesday! We gotta go get some ground beef. Y'all want they want ground beef. Well, Mari wants ground beef, but I feel like chicken is better.
No, it's not.
So I'm gonna do shrimp and ground beef. But let's hurry up, guys, because it's getting pretty late.
Hurry up!
Really,
Taco Tuesday.
it's literally daytime.
It's like 7 o'clock. By the time I get home, bath, cooking, it's gonna be a lot.
Stop trying to touch my daughter. Leave her alone.
So y'all, it is Tuesday. We are back home and I am cooking tacos. So I'm cooking ground beef and y'all know Sean is still not eating meat. Well, he's eating just seafood. So I'm gonna fry some shrimp and he wants some macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna do some macaroni and cheese. I have my meats right here Here is the seasoning that I'm using. I'm also going to add a little Lawry's, a little garlic salt, and what else I'm going to add? I'm going to add this one right here, garlic salt. Where's my Lawry's? I think I already have one open. I might add a little, or do I want to add the minced garlic? Let's see. Lawry's, oh, there we go. Lawry's seasoning salt. One of my favorites right here. So here's my macaroni and cheese. I did like 2 different meals. So I fried shrimp. Boom. These are like ready. I never use this breader, this seafood breader mix. So I don't know how it's gonna taste. However, I think I'm gonna take these out. No, I'm gonna put them in for a little longer. And then I have my meat back there for the tacos. Tell her.
I'm scared of the beach.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You scared of the ocean?
Yes, because I was one time. I was dipping my little fingers in the ocean. I was probably 8 years old. I picked up something. I don't know what it was. It was black. It had these bugs coming from it.
Oh.
I was so scared and I dropped it down. And I never went in the ocean again. I was too scared.
Lord.
But if I do go in the ocean, I have to go with somebody.
Yeah, I kind of get scared. When I was younger, I really wasn't scared of the ocean. But now, I be thinking about everything.
Mommy.
Yes,
Yeah,
baby. Yeah, the water. The water.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid.
So we're back in the house. And I just wanted to get on a little bit before I ended the vlog. I know this is probably going to be a little short. Walk. How was our walk, Sky? Was it good?
No.
No. Wasn't it a good walk?
No.
Oh my goodness. Why wasn't it a good walk?
I just don't like it.
You just don't like it?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Because I want to go back there so I can sit down on the grass.
Oh, okay. Did you like drawing with the chalk?
Yeah.
You did?
I really don't want the small chalk.
Oh my goodness.
I want the bigger chalk.
Now we can take some more. We got some more in the garage. So last night I used my face steamer for the first time. Sean's brother, one of my brother-in-laws, actually got me a face steamer for Mother's Day. That was so nice. And I haven't played around with my Cricut machine because one of his other brothers is getting me like the kit, the starter kit. But here is what it looks like. Well, it's the King Steam table facial steamer. So Sean had it set up over here last night on the dresser, and I was just like laying in the bed and was steaming my face. Only did it for about 15 minutes. But here is what it looks like. Real cool. Real cool. And it did a really good job. So I cannot wait to see if I can tell a difference in my skin from steaming. So basically, I read up on, like, you know, how to properly use a face steamer. So you don't want to use it, you don't want to overly steam your face. So 1 to 2 times a week is perfectly fine. And after you use the steamer, I go in with a moisturizer. So I'll try to find this specific steamer and link it down below. It came in an Amazon box, so I'm gonna look on Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's up there. Skylar, where are you? Skylar, where are you? Where are you, Sky?
Right here.
Skylar. Where's Skylar, guys? Ah, found you. Found you. I found you. You didn't know I was standing right there. You didn't know I was standing right there. You're so silly. You are silly. You're silly, girl. A lot of you guys are telling me that you are interested in this game, and if I remember, I'll try to link it down below, but it's from the Skin Deep. So just go to Google and put in the Skin Deep cardigan and it should come up. They got a lot of different versions and a lot of different ones that you can get. Let me see. Oh, go girl. Hey. Go Sky Pie. Hey. Go Sky Pie. What's the issue? What's wrong? You want to get on the bed?
I got cheese.
No. Are you having a good day? No. Why? Why not? Oh, why are you not having a good day? Yeah.
What's she talking about?
I don't know.
What she said?
Y'all, this weekend, me
What
and
she
Sean.
said? Her don't have a good day.
I don't know, Skylar. Y'all, this weekend, me and Sean are going away for the weekend. This is our first weekend away from both of the kids. Our first weekend away from Skylar. So this is gonna be crazy. I'm ready
And your daddy.
I'm ready though.
And your mommy.
Yeah. The only time I've been away from Skylar is when I went to the hospital to have summer. So this is much needed. It's about to be 4 years. She's about to be 4 years old. So that's the last time we've been like somewhere by ourselves. So I'm ready for this weekend getaway. Yeah, be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful. Oh, look at your baby. She's so cute, Sky. You gonna feed her?
No.
Why not?
No.
So I'm getting ready to end the vlog for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you have had a wonderful day. Definitely don't want to get off the vlog without leaving some positivity with you guys. And when I saw this, I was like, I have to share this with you guys. Hopefully it can inspire you, just motivate you, and just push you to get up and go for whatever it is that you want to do. So your life is not permanent. You are not stuck. You have a choice. We all have a choice. You are allowed to grow and change. You have a choice. Choose to go on the path of whatever it is that you want to do. If it's something that you want to do, you have a choice. You can do it. You have a choice. Your life is not permanent. You're not stuck, you know. So yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna try to get out either tomorrow and do a little bit more to give you guys a little bit more footage. But yeah, we've just been chilling really. But that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. I know this weekend is gonna be lit. Like, I'm so excited because like, I'm just so ready to just be away and just don't have to be responsible in a sense. Y'all know what I mean? Don't have to think about the kids. Don't have to make sure I gotta fix somebody something to eat. You know, all I gotta do is worry about me, and I'm ready for that. Period. I'm ready for that. I'm ready to, if I want to sleep in, sleep in. Don't have to hear no crying. Woo! I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. But the thing is, y'all, let me tell y'all. So summer has been so good when I'm not home. Like, she's not crying. Like, she be showing out with me. I'm like, girl, what is going on? Like, what are you doing? She does not be doing any of that. And I told y'all at night, it's been hard for me to get rid of that nighttime feeding. Like, to get her to go to sleep, I have to feed her. I have 2 nights in a row she went to sleep just laying on the couch watching TV without me even here. It's like, girl, she be trying to play me, but that's a mess. Like, she tries to play your girl. Anyways, I am out of here so I can edit this vlog so you guys can see it today. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing with your life? Hit the subscribe button, join the family, turn your post notifications on. Turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Yeah.